Broadcast Center in Los Angeles. This is KCAL 9 News at 9.
Also ahead, how a local community is going high-tech to get you a beer.
Well, look up in the sky. It's your delivery. The community of New Haven in Ontario is celebrating the launch of a new drone delivery service and the introduction of new robot carts. It's all part of new tech advances that could impact how business is done in the future here and in other cities nationwide. Our cameras were on hand for the first test of the drone service in a large U.S. city.
Is we work with the FAA to manage the airspace, but work with the communities to load in the schools, the hospitals, the land use, the zoning, the critical infrastructure to build these corridors in the sky. And I'm excited that New Haven is going to be one of the first drone-friendly communities.
Now, besides the drone flight, the robo-cart was taken for a spin. The unveiling took place at the New Haven Marketplace. Look at this thing. It's just rolling around on Ontario Ranch Road.
And it was delivering what, Susie? Beer, right?
That's the best part.
Yeah.
Keeps it nice and cool.
Yeah, and then
Can't
after
have
that,
warm beer.
yeah, after that, pizza.
Yes, please.